Hi, I'm Chef from Midvision, and today I will show you how we can generate chef recipes from rapid deploy tasks. So the idea is that we can generate dependency recipes which will hold the rapid deploy dependency jar files. So I will start with showing this. So here I can specify the name and the version number of this recipe, and this will basically upload all the necessary jar files which rapid deploy needs. So I already have 3 versions of it. I will browse the latest. So as you can see, I have a couple of jar files here. All of these are plugins for different products, and we have orchestration here, which is a standalone orchestration engine to run the tasks. And in the recipe itself, it is just a very short script to copy over these jar files to the target. So and then, if we have a dependency recipe, we can generate other recipes from rapid deploy tasks by using these jar dependencies. So today I will show some MS SQL tasks and how to export them to Chef. So I have here a project for MS SQL, currently with no tasks. So first of all, I will just put here update database task, which will use some scripts under this folder, and it will run on the selected instance, which is also can be configured by parameters. So I save this. And now, going back to the main page. So here I have these 4 attributes. Version number will be 1. I have these rapid deploy environments, and the selected will be extracted to Chef as a default parameter set. And I will make this recipe as update database recipe in MS SQL Handler Cookbook. So just click on build recipe, and it will generate these files on my local file system, and it will also upload it to Chef. So now it should be there. MS SQL Handler. So now let's see what files has this cookbook. It has 1 attributes file. It has a set of files which is coming from the Rapid Deploy's project folder. It's including the database scripts, and it has 1 recipe, update database, and some metadata. So first of all, in the attributes, all these attributes are coming from rapid deploy, and the selected environment had these values, so these are defined as the default values of these attributes, and so rapid deploy can use these. The way it uses that, so rapid deploy is looking for this property file, and when I'm running the recipe, I will search and replace these values from here to our property file. So, and on the Chef side, these attributes can be overridden on the node levels or in the row levels or in any levels. So, and then I have this recipe here, which first of all it mentions which attributes file it uses. Currently I have just 1 attribute file, but I could have more than 1. And so then It includes Java cookbook, because we need Java to run these orchestration tasks. And then it will basically just get the dependency jar files from the dependency cookbook, and then it will get the project files from its own cookbook, and then it will do a search and replace to get the attributes to the rapid deploy properties file, and then it will build a class path for the orchestration task runner, and it will just basically run this Java command which will call the orchestration. So this is how we can extract, for example, as an update database task. Now if we want to extend the functionality, we can add more tasks with different functionality. So now I will disable this task and I will add some more. For example, I will add the clean and clear, and I save it. And so I can add this to the same cookbook as a clear database task. I'm just gonna say clear database. To the same version 1. So I upload this as well. So now obviously this task is using the same resources as the previous update database task. So this is why it has the same attributes and the same file resources. So now you can see it has the same attributes. It has just one more extra file, which is this orchestration XML, which is defining the set of tasks to run. And then I have an extra recipe, clear database, which is basically doing the same as the update database, except for it is pointing to a different orchestration. So it will run the clear and clean tasks. Now consider that case if we want to add some different behavior to the same cookbook. So I will go to a different project. I have a script runner project here. So it has a different project folder with different file resources, different attributes and settings. So it has, as I remember, just one task which runs a command based on some parameters. So I can actually upload this to the same cookbook as a script runner task, and then if I upload this, it will create its own resources within the same cookbook. So we can actually combine different functions of different rapid deploy plugins within the same cookbooks. So there we are. So now it has generated another attributes file, which is this script runner is using, and it has also another set of files under a script runner directory with its own orchestration file, and the recipe. It it is always referring which attribute file it is using, and it is doing the same like the other tasks, except for using all the script runner resources, pointing to the script runner orchestration XML. So this way I could inject some other functionality within the MS SQL cookbook, like scripting some database related tasks. And of course these attributes just needs to be more user friendly with some more help texts. And also we have a metadata file here, which also has to be improved with some more licensing info and help texts. So if you have any questions, you can contact me on this email address, or any notes are welcome. Thank you for watching the video.